here we go again. Here's another one. As you can see, the piston here, that's steel. That's steel. Now we're going to put this piston and sleeve assembly in. Just on my own. It's a bit of playing around, but not many people want to work back till 10 o'clock at night. Help me. So here we go. A little better on this one. The last one I was too much junk in the way. Ah, got the hole spot on. Just move over that way a bit. Get more. There we go. How's that? Oh. Let's just go up a touch. I gotta check one more thing. Don't think I got it. No, I don't have it. Not far enough forward. Not lined up here on the nose either. The right spot. I gotta go forward a little bit more. It's a bit of a worry when you're on your own. Now I'll just take that up again a little bit. Try that. Go down a little bit. Now move that over to the left. Oh, get it when it's rocking there. Now we got it down there. We're a little bit crooked. So all I'm going to do is just bring it back to the right a little bit. There, stand it up right. Down we go. That. That's not bad. Get out here and give it a little bit of a jiggle. Get the bottom into place. There we go. And we might just go over on this side. Just operate it this way. There we go. More. There. Up here, and maybe I can stand this phone up over here, but I bet it doesn't. Just give it a little bit of a wiggle here. There we go. Now we just release that off. I'll just put this now. Here's another neat thing. I've always been worried about damaging the sealing surfaces there. Well, I happen to have some 1/4-inch plastic in the back of my truck, and I thought, that'll do wonders on there. Look at that. I can clamp that down as tight as I want. It's not going to damage it. I think that's a pretty clever idea. It just has to hold it there while we're moving the engine around. Oh, and put this one over here. I needed a bit of spacing there, so extra spacer, so I just piled two up. I got a look at that. Doesn't matter how tight you do it and how misaligned it is, it'll doesn't matter. I wish they'd make a different kind of keeper to keep the sockets on the impact wrenches. Look at that. That's not bad. I don't think it is anyway. Let's try this one. Look at that. I'll take one of these others off, put it on there. Maybe this one. Look at that. As soon as I put the bottom end on, on those last two, number 3 and 4, I'm going to pack up and go home. I've done all right. I'll tell you what, a little secret here. This lever's got a little bit of a bend in it. Don't trust them when they got that. I got a big cut in the side of my face because I touched things here and this come around and belted me on the side of the head. Not happy about it. Anyway, I'll let you go.